How to find and use coupons at Walmart. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find and use coupons at Walmart. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Walmart coupon codes. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see a bunch of websites offering the promo code. Tap on the website of your preference and scroll through and look for the best offers and tap on the See Code button. Further, copy the code and go to the checkout page of Walmart. In here, tap on the Have a Promo Code drop-down on the right side of your screen. Now, enter the code in the text box that appears and tap on the Apply button, and with this the code will be used. So, this is how you can find and use coupons at Walmart. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.